Struggling with breakouts, dryness, or irritated skin, no matter what products you try? Well, you're not alone. In this video, I'll show you how Cetaphil could be the simple solution your skin's been craving, and why dermatologists swear by it. Ever wondered why Cetaphil is one of the most recommended skincare brands by dermatologists? For years, Cetaphil has been a trusted choice for people with sensitive, dry, or acne-prone skin. Its gentle formulas are designed to cleanse and moisturize without irritation, but how do you get the best results? If you've ever asked yourself, is Cetaphil right for my skin? Or how should I actually use it? This video has you covered. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly who can use Cetaphil, how to apply it properly, and why skincare experts swear by it. So, who's Cetaphil really made for? Sensitive skin? Perfect match. Cetaphil's gentle, fragrance-free formulas reduce irritation and redness, making it ideal for those with delicate skin. Dry skin? Absolutely. Cetaphil's hydrating cleansers and rich moisturizers help lock in moisture and restore your skin's protective barrier. Oily or acne-prone skin? Surprisingly, yes. Cetaphil offers lightweight, non-comedogenic options that won't clog pores, perfect for keeping breakouts under control. The best part, Cetaphil is designed to suit all ages, from babies to adults, making it a go-to solution for families. Now, let's break down how to use Cetaphil for the best results. Step 1. Start with a gentle cleanser like the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. Apply it to damp skin, massage in circular motions for about 30 seconds, and rinse with lukewarm water. Step 2. For deep hydration, follow up with the Cetaphil Moisturizing Lotion. Apply a small amount to your face and gently rub it in until absorbed. Step 3. If you're heading outside, don't forget sunscreen. Cetaphil also offers SPF options for added protection. For best results, use Cetaphil twice daily, once in the morning and once before bed. You might be wondering, why do so many dermatologists recommend Cetaphil? The answer is simple. Cetaphil is clinically tested, hypoallergenic, and designed with minimal ingredients, reducing the risk of irritation. It's also fragrance-free, non-comedogenic, and packed with skin-loving ingredients like glycerin and vitamin E. In short, Cetaphil offers exactly what your skin needs, and nothing it doesn't. So, if you're looking for a skincare solution that's simple, effective, and dermatologist-approved, Cetaphil is a fantastic choice. Have you tried Cetaphil before? Let me know in the comments. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more skincare tips. Your skin deserves it.